We are doing part 1 of the Manchester United rebuild. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers do this, so I thought I'd give it a go. As you can see, Manchester United's starting 11 isn't that good. Jesse Lingard's been dropped to a 78 rated to an 81. Ronnie Rashford is going to get put in that starting 11. Matic hasn't had the best season. I'm going to put Pogba in it. Put James on the bench for McTominay. Now we're going to be trying to rebuild Manchester United. So let's see how much we have. 167 million. As you know, we're going for the almighty Kylian Mbappe. Probably going to cost us the majority of our transfer budget, but I think we'll be able to secure him into the Manchester United club. We're going to put an offer up for 130 million to 150. Let's see if PSG will accept. So, going to be trying to maybe win the Europa League this season, because I've not put them in the Champions League, what would be unfair. Our objective is to try. Okay, transfer offer for Luke Shaw, 18 million from Milan. That's enough, probably. Let's see if the one and only Kylian Mbappe probably won't be coming to Manchester United this season. Maybe not. Only 157 million for him. Yeah. I generally think we're probably gonna get we're probably gonna have to replace Greenwood. Maybe some better centre backs, better centre mid, and probably a better left back. Let's see who can get them for the centre mid. Let's go for the one and only KDB. There he is, KDB, 28 years of age, one of the world's best, 91 rated. Let's see if we can get him in. I know Pep likes money, as you probably know that I do know, because I am a massive Manchester City fan. Try and bring in one of the biggest, or the biggest players for Manchester City. If they decline, we might go for Sterling or somebody like that. Real Betis, who's this guy? He looks good, he's 20, and I think he's a centre back. He looks decent. Luke Shaw sold. Inter would like Anthony Martial. I'm going to reject that, because I know Martial, if I keep him under my wing, well, if I keep him at United for quite a long time, I think I'll be able to get him quite a high down. When is City going to reply? Been like nearly 2 weeks on this. Let's see if they reply anytime soon. Everybody wants Martial. They have agreed for 139 million to bring KDB in. Flip, nah. Let's see if we can bring KDB in. We have got Kevin De Bruyne on the Manchester City side, Manchester United side. Now let's switch him out for Freddie. We do have KDB now secured in the squad. Let's play Williams here. Now what do we need? A right winger. 43 million, let's adjust this. 50 million. Timo Werner, I'm thinking of. Mo Salah, actually, maybe. Might get Mohamed Salah. Heung-min Son, actually. He's 27. In the left mid there. Mo Salah. Mo. Try this again. Mo. I think it's Mohammed. Mohamed Salah, 27 years of age, worth 72 million. Bring him in. We don't have the money actually. Good right wingers, good right wingers. No. I need a good right winger. Good right wingers that aren't. Wait, we could probably get Timo Werner. And then put Martial at right wing. Timo. Where's Timo Werner? Okay, Rodrigo for Barcelona. Rodrigo, 18 years old, playing for Real Madrid. They're like, Anwar Fati? No, he's a left wing. Good right wingers. Sancho. Jadon Sancho, 19 years old. Meant to be worth a lot. Let's have a look how much we can get him for. We can trade him off for Fred as well as 50 million. I think we'll be able to bring him in. So let's have a look if we can bring the man, the myth, Jadon Sancho in. Okay, so we're looking at... Okay, it's 86 overall. Play a swap. Midfielders. Look at Tom Naples. He says he's worth more than Freddie Boy. Please don't storm out because I'm willing to give you an extra 51 million as well. Striker, centre back, or a winger. Harry Maguire. I think I'm really. Harry Maguire. I thought United brought Harry Maguire in for 80 million from Leicester, and he's worth 26. And 87 million more. That he isn't even worth that. I'm not doing that. No. Let's take a minute. I'll offer this. No, don't have any wage budget then. Flip. And an extra 55 million. I generally think that's fair because that's nearly as much as Sancho's worth. They want 80 million now. I'm gonna back out on the deal because that's well too much. No, that's well too much. Haaland. I'm gonna try and get Haaland. No, he ain't a right winger. Hudson-Odoi. Callum Hudson-Odoi. Callum Hudson-Odoi, the right winger for Chelsea themselves. Let's delegate to buy 30 million, then we'll put it up for 40. There we go. He's 18 and he's got potential to be special. Yes, we got an agreement for Callum Hudson-Odoi. Delegate, how much do we have in wages? Give me a minute, Mr. Odoi. How much do we have in wages? 116k, so we'll have to give him like 50 then. $60k a week. There we go. Do this. We will be playing one. Get in there. We can't find an agreement with Liverpool. Yes, because I don't want Salah anymore anyway. Maybe next season. Yes, we have Callum Hudson-Odoi in the team. We'll play one game. Run away. 74. Okay, let's work this. Matters 31, I'm going to take him off. And let's play our first game. Let's sim to our first game. When is our first game? We've got our first game. What is Chelsea? To Chelsea. We are here. Transfer offer for Freddie. Hoffenheim. I'm gonna say no because I know that we probably can get Fred to maybe like an 80 something, like maybe like an 87 or something. Pereira's not going. As much as I don't want to play him, he's 23 and I think he has a bit of potential. Playing our first game against Chelsea in their Christian Pulisic. This is unprofessional, you'll see in a minute. If you would like me to bring back the FIFA 15 Manchester City career mode, the comments are always
Very
open.
much front and centre in
If
recent
you'd like me
years
to do
when it comes
this
to
with any other
gargantuan
team,
confrontations.
make sure to
And
put
this
it into the
certainly
comments
falls in
below.
that category. Manchester
And if you would
United
like me to do a
against
play
Chelsea,
career
live
mode,
at Old Trafford,
the
and it's
comments
next
are
on
open.
EA TV. And
Kicked
welcome
off.
everyone to England's northwest. The action soon to get underway here at Old Trafford. I'm Derek Ray, and joining me here in the commentary box is Lee Dixon. And there are a few
horrible pass,
days on the
Pogba.
football calendar.
Can't just give it away like
in
that.
the Premier League. It is Manchester United taking on Chelsea.
Well, thank you, Derek. Brilliant atmosphere here today.
One.
All that hard slog in pre-season, all aim for this game. First game of the season, all that preparation is for this. It's for this 90 minutes.
Come on,
Focus
Bruno.
on it, get the 3 points, move on to the next one. Looking forward to it.
To the goal that puts them ahead.
Oh.
Great goalkeeping.
I can't believe
Good
the
save by
goalkeeper saved
Kepa.
that. That's brilliant.
And now the delivery.
Oh, De Bruyne, don't give it
To
away.
keep hold of it. Well, it really
Where's
is a
Mr.
special
Wan
day
Bissaka when I
as
need
Kevin
it?
De Bruyne makes his debut for his new club. Lee, what should we
Here he
expect
is.
to see from him?
Well, Derek, I prefer to call him Kevin. I can't say his second name, but what a player.
Paul Pogba's incisive pass.
What a ball. Oh.
Very clear who got the last touch. So a corner coming up. And De Bruyne
Good ball
firing
in.
it over. The end product just wasn't there. Bruno Fernandes.
To Pogba.
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 Not a
Oh,
moment
bit
that
too
will live
high.
long in his memory.
Well, I suggest he doesn't look at his teammates right now. They're all staring at him.
Oh,
Has gone
lucky
over the
Martial.
touchline for what will be a throw-in.
Looks weird to see
Pulisic.
so many different players in Manchester United kits.
Good-looking
When the
sequence.
transfer, probably next episode, if we have any money left, we're going to try and sign Christian
Regain
Pulisic.
possession. Rashford. Martial. It's a weighted pass.
Penalty!
Clean challenge. Good
What?
thing from his
How's that
body.
not a pen?
Well, you can tell what the fans think of that decision. They're certain it should have been a penalty.
Here is Zuma. Running towards goal. And he couldn't
Oh,
take
how did
advantage
you
of
not finish that
opportunity
off,
from close range,
Martial?
Lee.
How close does he want to be to score? He's gone for power and fluffed his lines.
Kurt Zuma. On the ball.
Come on.
Well, they're doing a fine
Great
job of
chest.
applying pressure here, not giving their opponents
Into
time to
Ronnie
think or
Rashford.
get out of their own half.
Great skills to get past his player. Turns his player. Sends it in. What was it? Not the best of balls, but
It wasn't an especially high quality header, was it?
Well, that was like one of mine, or more to the point, like one of yours, Derek.
You're spot on with that assessment, Lee. Here is Zuma. Now William. This is
come
Azpilicueta.
on.
William. He might be able to profit from the wide position.
Oh, next episode we'll try and get Pulisic, but and we're gonna try and bring in some centre backs and defenders.
These players come so close and being powerless to help.
And a half-baked clearance. Can they hit on the break?
It's good that we didn't get Mbappe because now we had money to buy De Bruyne,
Conte.
Odoi.
Less than convincing defending. An
So-
authoritative challenge. Marcus Rashford. It's a
Gave us
clever
money.
volley.
Who do we have actually? Gave us money to buy Odoi, De Bruyne. Who was it? And I don't think we got anyone
Here
else.
from Rashford.
Ah,
And no
think it's
problems whatsoever for the goalkeeper.
When you look at those stats, Derek, it tells a story all of its own. They haven't
Come
created
on.
enough chances. The forwards have been off their game as well. They haven't really utilised the wide areas for me, but they should go on and win the game, to be honest.
Opportunity to deliver the cross. Just unable to get his cross beyond the first defender.
oh no.
And he's beat. Will it lead to the goal that puts them ahead? The keeper making
You probably just recognise why I kind of want to sign
The
Pulisic.
game level. Let's see what they can do with this corner. Corner kick played in. Crossing opportunity.
Oh, what a save, De Gea.
Given away by Manchester United.
Wait,
Oh,
what?
he's given it. Penalty.
Penalty?
An opportunity now for them to take
No,
it front.
no.
That could well be his final
Fernandes,
warning.
wait.
He's got to tread carefully.
That is not a
He
penalty.
has, yeah,
Like,
it's
what?
quite easy for the referees to throw yellow cards around willy-nilly, but not on this
He
occasion.
saved it!
And a try.
De Gea's actually saved it.
Corner it is for Chelsea.
What's his name? Milk tried to save it and De Gea saved it. That's easily a man of the match there.
Now the delivery. Well, the clearance half-hearted.
Come on.
And that
0-0.
will do it for the first half.
Oh, I thought we were going to go 1-0 down with that penalty. Lucky enough, De Gea saved us. That should not have been a penalty though. Like, they didn't give that one in the first half for us. How was that one for them? Like, he stood up. He was literally in front of him.
Jorginho.
But who cares? The boy, the man,
Pulisic.
David De Gea saved it.
On possession lost, intercepted.
Into Kevin De Bruyne.
Beautifully.
Oh!
But he's fluffed his lines, Lee.
Well, he just put his head down, Derek, and hit it. He's got to do better than that.
It was a decent shot. Need to get a bit more accurate on
Marcos
those.
Alonso being pressed hard. Well, we always enjoy bringing you live action on EA TV and
Come
Premier
on.
League action coming up. It's Manchester United facing Wolves.
Yeah, I'm predicting a cracker there. Both teams will have a real go at each other, I'm sure.
Well, terrific action coming up for you from the UEFA Super Cup here on EA TV. It's Chelsea taking on Liverpool.
Yeah, it's the highlight of the competition, the reward for all those players' endeavours so far, but it means absolutely nothing if you lose. Losers' medals are no good to anyone. I'm really looking forward to that one, Derek.
De Bruyne. Hudson-Odoi. Tackling and winning the ball to boot.
Yes.
Corner awarded to Manchester United.
Heads.
Crown haven't had too much to cheer about for a while, have they, Derek? They need a goal here.
Wan-Bissaka. Well, and he takes it on. Well, body in the way. And De Bruyne firing it over.
That's annoying.
It all counts for naught. It's the high-pressure, high-intensity approach. Well, the
Come
conditions look
on,
pretty good
Williams.
for the
You should have been
counter-attack.
marking the left.
Will he play it in?
No.
Milik! The break that time was excellent. Not so much
That
the
guy's
finish.
not been playing very well,
The
Milik.
move, the counter
He missed
attack,
well,
and then all you needed to do was finish it
technically
off and he
missed the
couldn't.
penalty.
Well, we've been
And just
wondering
had
amongst
probably
ourselves
one of
for
the
a while
best
whether or
chances
not
of the
this
game
would
so
go
far.
through. Leroy Sané has completed his move to
I
Barcelona.
didn't know Leroy Sané was probably
Well,
going to
Derek, the figure,
Barcelona.
I think is around £60 million. I think
That's
you're
a
getting
lot.
one heck of a player for that sort of money. He should be a real asset to the club.
Oh, we should have bought Sané. Just thought about it. We'll maybe get him next season. After he's played a bit
Given
at
away
Barca.
by Manchester United.
Come on, Pogba. Nice.
Poor pass under no real pressure.
Into Mr. Rashford.
15 minutes remaining. Bruno Fernandes.
Oh, Bruno.
Block there.
15 minutes remaining in this game.
Lucas Vazquez.
Come on, let's just get one in the net.
You know, Chelsea have an awful lot of space. By no means on his own here. And a
Good
chance it is for
interception,
Chelsea
Maguire.
from the corner. They will now.
Yeah, I'm going to take Mr. Odoi off for James. Bring Greenwood on for Martial. Martial has not had a good game. And probably bring for... no, I'm not going to bring Fred on. How's De Gea 88 rated? He just saved probably
bench.
the save of the season, maybe. For us, anyway. Maybe. Good blocking. Nice, De Gea. Yeah, I don't get how De Gea is not 89 rated. Like, he is on... Like...
They've won
Oh,
back possession,
that is bad.
making excellent progress
What?
with the ball at
Was
his
that
feet.
not a free kick to us? Yes.
And after the cross, a tremendous block.
What a ball into James.
Inside the last
Oh,
5
no,
minutes,
no, no,
and
no.
0-0 is still the
Hold
situation.
it.
Jorginho.
I really think that Greenwood might just pull one into the back of the net for us.
It's with Berghuis.
Yes.
So close to keeping himself onside, but
I'm going to
offside is the
keep
verdict.
Pogba on,
That's his job,
only
Reliant.
because I
Give
kind of
those
want him
tight
on,
offside
because he's a
decisions and get
decent
them right.
player. Come on, James, use your pace.
Playing with purpose and control.
Oh, no, Pogba.
Manchester United know they've got to be precise with the corner, given the circumstances. Over it comes.
Come on.
That's clear.
James, you have your pace. Come on. Into Greenwood. I don't think he would have got onto that.
On and on he goes. Bruno Fernandes.
No. Win it.
It's a perfect challenge.
We played against
The
Chelsea.
referee's whistle.
We drew. It was a very good game against Chelsea. We probably should have won that with the shot. Well, with the chances that we got. Yeah. Well, that's part one of the rebuilding Manchester United career mode. I hope you guys enjoy. If we can get this to 20 likes, I will bring back the FIFA 15 Manchester City career mode. I hope you all enjoyed. Have a great day. Have a great rest of your day. And yeah, peace out, my friends.